Now let's talk about the use of these products. First, connect the end of the network cable with the waterproof half of the mesh belt. And then tighten the waterproof cap after connecting to the network cable ports of the camera. In order to prevent water from entering the outdoor installation, this step must be carried out strictly. Okay, the camera now is connected. Next, we connect the other end of the network cable to the POE port of the POE power supply. Be careful, not the LAN port, it is the POE port. And connect a network cable to the LAN port and your home router. Please check. After the network cable is complete, we connect the power supply. When the indicator lights turn green, it means that the connection part is over. After the camera starts, we need to press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds in order to reset the camera. Okay, the reset was successful. Now let's do the operation on the mobile terminal. First, open the menu and download a software. You can either search for ICSEE in the App Store or just scan the QR code to download. And open this app after installation. The first installation page will prompt you to register a username. Click Register. Enter your email address here and click Next. You can follow the steps in menu to register. After the registration is complete, we will log in. When you first time log in, we need to click the plus button in the upper right corner and click Other ways to pair and add device. It should be noted here that when searching for cameras under the same network, the Wi-Fi connected to our mobile phone must be wired with the camera. The network is must on the same Wi-Fi router. After searching for the camera, touch the screen and add it successfully. Click and play the button in the middle of the screen to play. Okay, now the following is FAQ time. What if there's no recording on the device screen? Click Local Record. It is the running state of normal recording at this moment. If there's no video recording, we need to carry out several investigations. In the first place, check whether the memory card status is normal. Well, if any anomaly is found, please click Format. Well, if it is found to be normal, please click the mobile phone channel screen to check whether the monitoring time is consistent to your mobile phone. If the time is wrong, we need to set it. Click Device Time. It will prompt synchronization. Okay, now our device time is synchronized with the phone. Just wait a few seconds and then you can watch the video. Now you can watch.